Hello everybody, how are you? How are you doing, my best learners? It's Murad Sultan Izmiri again with you. Just today we will see new lecture. Deals with transforming shapes. Okay, so please all the students try to put your student book on your table. Okay, and take a pen and some let's say some sheet of papers. Okay, and we start together doing this lecture. Okay, can we start? Okay, so today is Monday. Okay, 20 April 2020, class 6. Teacher Murad Sultan Izmiri, HSN. Okay, first of all, we start by the first transformation, it's called a translation. Okay, so first of all, what is a translation, my kids? A translation is what? A translation means also slide. Okay, means also slide. Okay, for example, me, I am now on the ground, and on the ground there is a coordinate grid. There are some squares. Okay, I will try to. If I'm supposed that I am an object, then I'm gonna to move 2 units to the right. So 1, 2. Okay, you can see that this is now is the image. The first image or the first object moves 2 units to the right. This is means translation. Means that the object will move regarding to the number of units in the x direction and to the number of the y. To the number of units in the y direction. Okay, either left or right for x axis, and the y axis it will be up or down. Okay, so we told that translation is a shift. A translation, my kids, is what? Is a shift. Okay, by a certain distance, means that translation keeps the same distance of the distance in a particular direction. Okay, then the orientation and the size of the shape remain unchanged, invariant. Okay, unchanged means invariant. Okay, invariant. Okay, for example, let's shift this. This is the shape. This shape that is shaded blue, or this blue shape. I will try to translate 3 units to down. Okay, translate. What? Translate the shape. Okay, translate the shape. 3 units down in the y direction. In the y direction. Okay. Means what, my kids? Means I will try to move the shape, move 3 units down. For example, if you are gonna start from this point, so this point has to move how many units? Down 3 units. This is 1 unit, then 2 units, then 2 units, then 3 units. So this one, after translating the image of this point, is this. So this is 3 units. Okay? Then, for example, if you choose another point, for example, this one, this point, my kids, I will try to translate this unit or to slide this unit 3 units in the y direction. Okay? If we suppose that this is the y, this is the x direction, and this one, my kids, is what? Is the y direction. Okay? Now I will try to slide or to move this point 3 units down in the y direction. So let's do this one, this point, it will be like that. This is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. You can see this the image of this point is that. Okay? And another, the second one, also 1 square, or okay, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. So each point moves 3 units down in the y direction. Okay? So this is called what? This is, my kids, is called image. The image. The image of the shape after translation 3 units down in the y direction. Okay? Image. Okay, and this is the object. This is object. The object that I will try to translate it or to slide it 3 units down in the y direction. Okay, let's do some exercises. Okay, here we have a triangle ABC, such that the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. It has 2 sides equal in length and 2 internal angles are equal. Okay, you can see that the distance AB is equal to the distance BC, and means that the side of the line segment BC is equal to the line segment AB. And what about this angle? This angle also is equal to this. It's called isosceles triangle. Okay? This one is an isosceles triangle. The question is what? This one is what, my kids? Isosceles. Isosceles what? Isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Okay? Now, if I will suppose that is the y-axis, this is y-axis, and this one is what? And this one is x-axis. Okay? So, perform the following transformation on triangle ABC. Start with the original triangle. This one, ABC, is my original triangle, or is the object. Okay, what is the question? Translation 2 units to the right in the x direction. In the x direction. Means what? Means that this isosceles triangle will move 2 units to the right in the x-axis, not in the y-axis. In the x-axis means you will move, for example, any unit to the left or to the right. Okay? This is the x-axis. If you will translate a shape in the x-axis, either you will move to the right or to the left. But for in the y-axis, my kids, in the y-axis means what? If we are gonna, let's say, draw the image of a shape, for example, in the y-axis, this is depends on the unit. If they are up or down, means this is up and this one is down. Okay? This is y-axis. Okay? And this is the translation. Either can be up or down. Okay. Now I will translate this shape, this triangle, to use to the right in the x direction. What is x direction? This is x direction. I will start, for example, from the point A. Okay. A moves how many units? 2 units. This is 1 unit, 2 units. So the point A, my kids, the image of A is C. I will label it as A prime, means the image of A after translating 2 units to the right in the x-axis is A prime. Then for B, I will move 1 unit or 1 square, 2 square. Okay, this is the point B prime. Okay, means the point B, my kids, moves or slides 2 units to the right in the x-axis. This is the x-axis. Okay, and the last point it's C. C moves, this is the point C. C moves 1 unit to the right, then 2 unit to the right. So this one is called C prime. Now my kids, I will draw the image, okay, like that. This is my triangle, okay? So you can see this is equal to this, and this angle is also equal to the next angle. Why? Because it's isosceles triangle, okay? This one means that the triangle ABC is translated 2 units to the right in the x-axis. In the x-axis, this is the x-axis. Okay, this is the x-axis, and this one is what? Is the y-axis. Okay. So the next example. Here also the perform the following transformation on triangle ABC. Start with the original triangle. This is my object. Now I will try to translate this triangle, isosceles triangle, 3 units to the right and 4 units to the 3 units to the right and 4 units down. Okay, and 4 units down. Okay. 4 units down. Okay, let's do it. I will start from which point? From this point. It will move how many units to the right in the x-axis? This is in the y-axis, the y in the y-axis, in the y direction. In the y direction, and this one, the first, is in the x direction. X direction. Okay. Okay. First of all, I will just write like that. Do like that. This is what? This is y axis. And this one is what? Is x-axis. Okay. I will start from which point? From B. So 3 units to the right in the x direction. Okay, 1 unit, 2 unit. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Okay. Now I move it 3 units. To the right, this is 3 units. To the right in the x direction. Now I will move or slide down 4 units in the y direction. This is 1 unit. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So this point B, my kids, it will be B prime. Okay? And for the point C, I will move 1 unit, then 2 unit, then 3 unit to the right in the x direction. Then I will move down 4 units in the y direction. Okay, in the y, we told that 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this point is called what? Is called, okay, it's called C prime. And just this one, I'll change the color. Okay. And this one is C prime. Now for the last point, I will move 1 square, then 2 square, then 3 square. Okay? Then I will move down 4 units in the y direction. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 units. And this is 1, 2, 3 is 3 units. Okay. So this is the point what? The point A prime. Now I can draw the image. Okay, this is my key. This is the image of this. Okay. So this triangle is the image of that. Okay. The next. Now perform the following transformation on triangle ABC.